everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little unboxing and I feel so sad because I'm going to be doing this unboxing and unfortunately you can't get this cutie anymore. He has sold out, but who knows? He may be restocked at some point, and if he does, I will definitely let you guys know. But we have the Frozen 2 inspired Sven Scentsy Buddy. I am so excited for this because he looks adorable. So if you were able to snag this buddy for yourself, he did come with his inspired scent pack here. What I will tell you, as of right now when I'm recording this, the scent pack itself, as well as the Sven inspired bar, is also still currently available on my website, or you can go to your consultant's website. These are still available under the Frozen 2 collection tab. So definitely check that out. But the buddy, unfortunately, he's out of stock. So I am so sorry, but I do still want to do this unboxing with you guys, especially if you were able to snag one for yourself, but maybe it hasn't arrived yet. So super cool. This is a pretty big size box. One thing I will say about our Scentsy Buddies, and hey, if you're newer to Scentsy, you might be wondering, that doesn't look like a wormer. This is not a wormer. This is actually a stuffed animal, but you will see, I'm going to show you how fragrance can play into our cute little buddies as well. With our Scentsy Buddies, they always are delivered into a box that can also make a nice little travel case for them as well. On the top here, you'll see these little indentations here that you can pop these out and they become little handles. So that's really nice for like a little carrying case, if you will. So, oh my goodness. Those antlers are so cute. Oh man, he's big. Do you see this? Look at that head. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. And I love that there's kind of like, this is a more silver, almost iridescent situation here on his antlers. So cute. Look at his face. I love his face. He reminds me of Reindeer. So cute. Oh, I love him. He's got his little hooves. Does he have his little Scentsy? Yes, he does. He has his little Scentsy foot. He's gonna poke my eyeball out is what he's gonna do. He's a pretty decent size buddy here. So if you are wondering, okay, so show me, what does this have to do with fragrance? Well, on the back, most, I would say like 98, 99% of our buddies will always have a zipper in the back. I say 98 or 99% because there are a couple that had the zipper in the front or on the top, depending on which buddy it is. But most of them will have a little zipper in the back. It is hidden really nicely by a little flap that will kind of keep that zipper disguised, so it looks like just a stuffed animal, right? So you will open this up and you'll have a little pouch in here. So in here, there's a little cavity that you will be able to stick the scent pack into the back of your buddy, which is really, really nice. So then your buddy is going to smell amazing for quite a while. I will say, these horns. I will say that our buddies and the scent packs, these scent packs last forever. Like, they really do last a long time. There's some buddies that I've had for years and I've never had to change out the scent pack. You can still smell it. Now, obviously that is going to vary depending on how much love they are receiving from your little one, or from you. Hey, we don't have any kids, but I still love these buddies. They're so super cute. So depending on the amount of wear that these scent packs are getting, they may last longer. Sometimes they may not last as long. But what's so nice is that when it stops smelling, then you can just buy a new scent pack and you can freshen up your buddy, which is really, really nice. Look at how cute he is. He is so big. I think he's so cute and he's so soft. That is one thing I will say about all of our Scentsy Buddies. They're all so insanely soft. I love them. So super cute. So this is Sven. Like I said, unfortunately he has sold out. But like I said, he may be restocked. I'm not 100% sure, but we were told that he was available while supplies last. There have been a few times this year that some of our limited time only offerings have actually been restocked. So this may be another case. I'm not 100% sure, but I think honestly, he lasted longer than I was expecting, to be totally honest. He lasted several days, so definitely longer than I was expecting. Now, do you guys want to know about the scent? You just wait right here. Oh my gosh, and his little tail. He's so cute. So cute. I have to keep an eye on him so that I don't have any curious noses thinking that this is a toy for somebody. Okay, we also have the Fearless by Nature Scentsy bar, which is inspired by Sven as well. This is still currently available. This is available only while supplies last as well, but if you add it into your Scentsy Club subscription, one of the perks about Scentsy Club, if you are newer to Scentsy, Scentsy Club is the subscription service that Scentsy offers for all of our consumable products. So there's all kinds of perks involved. My favorite perk is the always get my bar perk. So if this winds up being a scent that you really, really like, Scentsy will continue to make this for you even after it has sold out. They will continue to send this bar to you for as long as it's in your Scentsy Club subscription, which is so wonderful. This scent is so nice. This is I want to say that this is kind of an herbal, kind of green, clean type scent. I would categorize this as a fresh scent. It's really, really nice. And I have experience with this particular bar, and it's not super strong, but I feel like it's just the right strength. As a more clean type scent, I feel like it's just done just right. This kind of smells like a spa. It kind of smells like a spa to me. I love this. It has a very like relaxing kind of feel to this. I do like this a lot. So Scentsy says about Fearless by Nature, brave the journey with unwavering loyalty, transversing wildflowers and sage as you navigate the woods. So the wildflowers and sage. So this is, I guess the sage is what's giving me kind of that earthy or herbal kind of scent to this. The wildflowers, I wouldn't like, smelling this, I would still categorize this as a fresh scent, not floral, but the floral is probably just adding just another kind of perfumey element, I guess, but this is more of a fresh scent, I would say. So if you like those fresh type scents, I think you'll really, really like this. So really, really nice and definitely worth giving a try, I would say. So this is still currently available along with just the additional scent pack. So if you already have a Scentsy Buddy, but this scent sounds like something you would really enjoy, I would definitely say give this one a try. It's really a nice scent. So there you have it. You want to say goodbye, Sven? So there you have it. I wanted to share my Sven with you. I was really hoping that he would come while he was still available. So I am sorry if you didn't have a chance to get your hands on this cutie. I am sorry, but oh, he's so super cute. So all right, you guys, let me know in the comments if you were able to snag one for yourself. He's so cute. I love the look on his face. Like Scentsy, this partnership between Scentsy and Disney has been so much fun, and especially seeing like these details has been amazing. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.